Welcome back to a 5-second finance tip. This time here, I want you to make friends with Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, whatever tool you want to be using. These spreadsheets, these are spreadsheets that 99% of you already have access to. If you aren't familiar with how to use them, you're going to build up this whole snowball in your mind of thinking that it's really difficult. I want you to find a time, whether it's right now or schedule a different time, to go watch a 10-minute tutorial, whether it's on YouTube, some kind of a video that helps you build your skills in Microsoft Excel. You're going to have a very long entrepreneurial journey ahead of you, and those 10 minutes of investing in yourself and investing in your skills to learn how to use the softwares and how to use these spreadsheet tools are going to help you get into better cadence and a better habit of building your forecast and improving how quickly and the functionality you can use them for. So remember, they're nothing more than a set of rows and columns. They're not that complicated. So go find 10 minutes right now to learn something new in Microsoft Excel. All those small actions will pay off over time.